In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make prompts for ebooks using Chatgpt. As you embark on creating content for an ebook, formulating effective prompts is a vital part of steering artificial intelligence towards producing high-quality, cohesive text. So let's dive right in and explore how you can harness the power of Chatgpt to generate engaging content. First, you'll need to open Chatgpt. This step sets the stage for everything that follows. Navigating to the Chatgpt platform, whether on a desktop or a mobile device, lays the groundwork for your interactive experience with the AI. It's here that you'll initiate the conversation and where your creative journey really begins. Once Chatgpt is open, it's time to create a new chat. Starting fresh ensures that any previous conversations or context won't influence the current interaction. A clean slate is crucial when you're aiming for precision and coherence in the content you wish to generate. Simply click on the New Chat option and prepare to guide the AI with your instructions. Next, identify the purpose of your prompt. This step requires a bit of introspection and clarity about your goals. Are you aiming to produce a draft for a chapter, brainstorm ideas, or generate dialogue? Defining the purpose will help you craft a prompt that directs the AI toward the desired outcome. Articulating your intent clearly enhances the relevance and efficiency of the content generated. Including key details in your prompt is the next critical step. The more specific you are, the better results you can expect. Think about the essential elements that need to be covered, such as character names, settings, tones, or particular themes, and weave them into your prompt. This specificity acts as a guiding beacon for Chatgpt, allowing it to produce text aligned with your vision. Another powerful approach is to use structured prompt templates. Templates serve as a framework that can be easily adapted to suit different content requirements. They help in maintaining a consistent style and format, making it easier for the AI to understand and replicate the intended structure. Whether you're working on narrative elements or technical descriptions, structured templates can significantly enhance your prompt's effectiveness. As you refine your prompt, consider adding instructions for creativity. Encouraging the AI to think outside the box can lead to unique and captivating content. You might ask it to explore unconventional perspectives or infuse elements of surprise to enrich the storyline or subject matter. Finally, don't hesitate to use follow-up prompts if needed. Sometimes your initial prompt might not capture everything you intended. In these cases, follow-ups can help adjust the direction or fill in any gaps. Being proactive and adaptive ensures that the final output is as close to your expectations as possible. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crafting prompts for ebooks using Chatgpt. I hope these steps empower you to create content that's not only well-structured but also imaginative and impactful. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!